following message is transmitted at the request of the California Highway Patrol. An Amber Alert has been issued for a child abduction that occurred at Elm Avenue, Greenfield, California on June 12, 1999 at 1:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The Amber Alert has been issued for Harvey Rogers, age 9, white, Caucasian, 4 feet, 4 inches, weighing 80 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. Suspect is unknown. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, please call 911 or the Monterey County Sheriff's Office.
This is an NBC News special report.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are interrupting regular programming because we have breaking news coming out of Monterey County, where an Amber Alert has been issued. The California Highway Patrol reports that a 9-year-old child that goes by the name of Harvey Rogers was abducted by an unknown suspect. He was last seen near the 2300 block of Elm Avenue in Greenfield, California, and the kidnapping happened at around 1:23 p.m. That's all we know right now. We're trying to get more information, and as soon as we do, we will bring it to you. For now, this is Ted Hopkins from KSBW Action.
This is a CBS News special report. I'm Jason Davis, reporting from K-On Television in Monterey County, California. A couple hours ago, a hijacking took place on the Weather Channel by a group known as the Dark Watchers. They were claiming that they are the ones responsible for the abduction of Harvey Rogers, which is still an ongoing investigation, and apparently we needed to be taught a lesson because we kept ignoring their existence. The message ended off saying that they will arrive tomorrow on the 13th. Please keep in mind that the Dark Watchers are only an urban legend and this message is not to be taken seriously.
This is an emergency bulletin from the California Highway Patrol serving Monterey County. At 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, there were multiple reports of a group of people wandering the streets, wearing all black clothing and sandals. In addition, multiple people have gone missing since their arrival, and it is unknown where they currently are. As a result of these unprecedented circumstances, it is advised that you remain in your homes until further notice. It is unknown if these people are connected to incidents previously mentioned, so it is advised you remain cautious and vigilant even when sheltering in place. If you must leave your home because of an emergency, call 911. Stay tuned to news outlets and local media for the latest information when it becomes available.
A 911 telephone outage emergency has been declared for the Greenfield area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Monterey Department of Emergency Management. The Monterey County Sheriff's Office has reported that a 911 service disruption has occurred and that area residents will need to call an alternate in the event that a 911 service is required. The area affected by the 911 services disruption includes the Greenfield area with the phone number prefix of 831. The 911 service disruption began around 5:31 a.m. The time of restoration has not been determined. Residents with phone number prefix 831 should call the Monterey County Sheriff's Office in the event if 911 services are required. Once again, residents with phone number prefix 831 should call the Monterey County Sheriff's Office should 911 services be required.
Dude, wake up.
What is it?
There's people in our street.
Julian, I am not in the mood for your...
Yeah, well, I'm being dead serious. Go look for yourself.
Okay, fine. I'll go. Who the hell are they?
I don't know. All I know is that they've been there for the past half hour. Is that Dad?
No. It can't be him. I thought he was on that business trip or whatever. Get Dad's gun. Say hello to my little, huh? Julian, get to the basement now.
message is transmitted at the request of the Monterey Department of Emergency Management. Due to the events happening in Greenfield and the Santa Lucia Mountains, military presence within the boundaries of the county will be drastically increased to combat the group of people in Greenfield. It is heavily recommended that you listen to any and all instructions given by the military under any circumstances. If you attempt to enter the town of Greenfield or the Santa Lucia Mountains, you will be putting your life in danger. Further action is currently being discussed. Stay tuned to local media for the latest information when it becomes available.
You even heard what's going on in Monterey County this morning? From what I could gather, the Monterey County Sheriff's Office says that a group of around 20 people has been seen in the streets of Greenfield, a town neighboring the Santa Lucia Mountains. Ever since their arrival, hundreds of people went missing without any explanation. Thousands of theories were speculated, but the most popular was that this group of people are the Dark Watchers, a very popular urban legend in all of California. And you know what? I think they're right. The photos of the Greenfield streets and the photos in the books are very similar in an uncanny way. I am convinced that these people are the Dark Watchers. The evidence is undeniable. But why they would kidnap hundreds of people still continues to baffle me, honestly.
Go isn't easy.
My little girl is moving out. Which reminds me, when are you leaving?
And all
Evacuate immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Monterey County Sheriff's Office in conjunction with the Monterey Department of Emergency Management and the California Governor's Office of Emergency Management. All of those living in Monterey County are ordered to evacuate. Due to the progressively increasing military activity and the aggression of the Dark Watchers, it is no longer safe to remain in the county. You are authorized to use Highway US 101 to evacuate. Stay tuned to local media for the latest information when it becomes available.
Going down!
You guys are in charge of food.
Okay, call 9 of those little dogs on top. Wrap them up.
The Hillennial is here.
No!
All new King of the Hill next Sunday at 7.
Thank you all for coming here today. If you all aren't aware by now, something strange and terrifying has struck our county of Monterey. Yesterday, June 12th, Harvey Rogers was the first out of hundreds to be abducted by the Dark Watchers. We thought these people were of urban legion. However, we clearly underestimated what they could do to a small town, like Greenfield. They hijacked the Weather Channel saying that we couldn't keep ignoring them for long, We, of course, didn't believe them until this morning. June 13th, 1999. In the early hours of the morning, tens of missing persons cases inundated our database. To add insult to injury, the 911 service shut down from what I've suspected to be one of the dark watchers. The missing persons reports continued to pile up, and eventually we had to call in the military to help kick them out. Some people evacuated their homes, others stayed. That was until 8:30 a.m. when they hijacked all channels, saying that their plan has gone too far and that they will return all of the people they've abducted at noon. I honestly have no idea what to even think about this whole situation. It just came as a shock to me that urban legends can have the possibility to become real. That's all I came here to say. I hope everyone that dealt with this has a fast recovery soon. Thank you.
It's all true. The boogeyman is real. And you found him. What in God's name are you talking about?
Your son, Mr. Nolan. The son of the devil.
You say.
Join us! Join us!
I'm scared to close my eyes. I'm scared to open them.
I got a lot. Might be kinda big, but they been corpses of size 2. So don't step to this, cause I got a lot. Might be kinda big.
Say, I was eating some booty.
Meow, fuck out the